All right, welcome back to the class. Okay, so you're having 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent y equals 640. Okay, so let's break down the equation. So this is the same as 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent y 2. Now we can write 640 as 64 multiplying 10. Okay, now we are going to have 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent y is equal to, now we can write 64 as 8 squared. Okay, all right, let's go further. So we are going to have 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent y is equal to, we can write it as 2 exponent 3. Okay, and then we bring our exponent of 2. All right, let's proceed. So we are going to have 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent y is equal to, this will give us 2 exponent 6 times 10 is the same as 2 times 5. Okay, so you're going to have 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent y is equal to, okay, now 2 exponent 6 multiplying 2 exponent 2. Okay, so this 2 has an exponent of 1. So you're going to have 2 exponent 7, okay, times 5. Okay, so we're going to have 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent y, okay, is equal to 2 exponent 7 times 5 is the same as 4 plus 1. Okay, so we're going to have 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent y is equal to, okay, 2 exponent 7 times 4, okay, plus 2 exponent 7 times 1. Okay, so we are going to have 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent y, okay, is equal to 2 exponent 7. We can write this 4 as 2 exponent 2. Okay, so let's bring our plus. 2 exponent 7 multiplying 1 gives us 2 exponent 7. Okay, now so we are going to have 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent y is equal to, so 2 exponent 7 times 2 exponent 2. Okay, so you know in indices, when the bases are the same, we add the exponent. So here the bases are the same, you are having 2. Okay, so we are going to add the exponent. So you're going to have 2 exponent 9. Okay, and then here we have 2 exponent 7. Okay, now this point we are going to compare the equation. Okay, we are going to compare the sides, the left part of the equation to the right part. Okay, so we can say 2 exponent x is equal to 2 exponent 9. Okay, you know in indices, if you're having a exponent b equals a exponent c, we can say b, we can say b, is equal to c. Okay, so here we can say x is equal to 9. Okay, now let's look at 2 exponent y. So you see 2 exponent y is equal to 2 exponent 7. Okay, so we can say y can say y is equal to 7.